How Huawei's AI port brain, the Vturbo platform, is reshaping the global port landscape. Why are Chinese ports leading the world's intelligent transformation? Lately, a hot topic in the global tech community has been the intelligent transformation of ports. Can you imagine? These seemingly traditional and old-fashioned ports are quietly undergoing an intelligent revolution that is poised to change the global manufacturing landscape. Today, let's take a deep dive into the secret weapons behind port intelligence and explore how it will affect our lives and the direction of the global economy. In the following content, I will take you to the front lines of China's port intelligence revolution. We'll look at the port of Yantai in Shandong province, a port with roots tracing back to the Qing dynasty, and see how it has made a magnificent transition into a super-intelligent hub in the AI era. At the same time, we will compare the development of ports in Europe and the US, and analyze the unique advantages and challenges of China's port intelligence journey. Made in China, world's #1. But how does it go global? Everyone knows that China is now the world's undisputed manufacturing powerhouse. Manufacturing value-added accounts for about 30% of the global total, securing its position as the world leader for many years. Take new energy vehicles, NEVs, for example. In 2023, China exported 1.203 million NEVs, a 77.6% increase year-on-year, to over 180 countries. This impressive data has made the world sit up and take notice of. Made in China, but have you ever wondered how these made in China products leave the country and reach consumers worldwide? A large part of the answer lies with ports, the critical logistics hubs. Ports are the last mile of the supply chain. They may seem ordinary, but they are actually the most easily overlooked, smart bottleneck in the entire logistics system. In the past, port operations were far from intelligent. Systems were fragmented, data was siloed, equipment couldn't be linked together, and processes were constantly getting stuck. New technologies and applications often couldn't be smoothly implemented into operations due to various obstacles. What was even more critical was that people who understood the systems didn't understand ports, and people who understood port operations didn't understand digitalization. There was an extreme shortage of versatile talent. As a result, the efficiency of port operations was abysmal, like an old machine that constantly broke down, severely impacting cargo throughput. In contrast, ports in Europe and the US, such as the Port of Los Angeles, one of the busiest ports in North America, have invested significant resources in their intelligent transformation. However, because port operations involve multiple stakeholders, coordination is difficult, leading to a slow pace of intelligent upgrades. The Port of Rotterdam in Europe, while having some applications of automated equipment, also faces many challenges in system integration and data collaboration. Compared to them, Chinese ports, although starting relatively late on the path of intelligent transformation, have shown strong development potential and have caught up quickly. The intelligent transformation of Chinese ports is a matter of urgency. Only by making ports smarter can we enable made in China products to reach the global market more efficiently and secure a more favorable position in the international market. From the Qing dynasty to an AI superhub, the transformation of Yantai port. I'm currently at the port of Yantai in Shandong, a port with a long history. It was established in 1861, weathered the turmoil of the late Qing dynasty, witnessed the founding and development of modern China, and is now revitalized in the AI era. Yantai Port's ability to stand out among many others is its success in breaking down this silo effect between systems, equipment, data, and people. It has achieved intelligent synergy and become a superhub that can handle cargo automatically. Behind this is a complex and powerful intelligence system. At a recent Huawei Enterprise User Summit, we saw Huawei's deep cooperation with industries like ports, banking, education, and healthcare to create intelligent operation and maintenance solutions. Among them, Agent AI technology can now automatically prevent, respond to, and even repair operation and maintenance systems. The application of this technology to port operations has greatly improved the port's stability and operational efficiency. It's said that the advancement of Chinese terminals ranks first globally, and this isn't just a casual claim. Taking Yantai Port as an example, the Vturbo platform, the port brain jointly created by Yantai Port and Huawei, is a prime example. This platform has integrated 21 business systems, consolidated 7 major business domains and 4 core data sets, established 180 business indicators and 853 data assets, and put core processes such as scheduling, security, energy consumption, environmental protection, and warehousing all on one single visual interface. This not only allows managers to clearly understand production operations in real time, but also enables predictive warnings, assists in decision-making, and even directly controls execution. For example, if the temperature of a certain yard is abnormal, or a dedicated line suddenly gets an unexpected increase in traffic, the system automatically devises a solution and acts in advance, instead of waiting for manual discovery and processing as in the past. This crucial step from equipment intelligence to system intelligence has significantly improved Yantai Port's operational efficiency. Look at the movement of commercial vehicles at the terminal. Here, operations are fully intelligent and unmanned, thanks to Yantai Port's pioneering AGV scheduling system. It's not just about getting the vehicles to move, it enables three-dimensional parking and creates a complete link between equipment and yard for coordinated scheduling. The platform centrally controls the tasks for each AGV, including the sequence for picking up and dropping off vehicles. If a single vehicle's autonomous driving is like a leg learning to walk, what Yantai Port has done is teach a person how to use their whole body to run. That is true system intelligence. In contrast, while some European and American ports are also promoting intelligence, they still have a certain gap with Chinese ports in terms of system integration and collaboration. For instance, the Port of Long Beach in the US has made some progress in equipment automation, but data exchange between different systems remains a barrier, resulting in limited overall operational efficiency improvement. The Port of Hamburg in Europe has achieved some results in building logistics information platforms, but needs to further strengthen the intelligent coordination of its equipment. Yantai Port's intelligent transformation has set an example for the development of other Chinese ports and has shown us the huge potential of port intelligence. It not only improves the port's own operational efficiency and reduces costs, but also provides more powerful support for made in China products to go global. Smart ports, more than just equipment upgrades, they are accelerators of industrial transformation. My biggest takeaway from the summit and port experience is that port intelligence is no longer just about upgrading equipment, it is an accelerator for industrial transformation. The benefits of port intelligence are multifaceted. First, it greatly improves operational efficiency. At Yantai Port, for example, the time for cargo loading, unloading, storage, and transportation has been significantly shortened through the intelligence system. This is of great importance for products like new energy vehicles. Every hour an NEV is parked at the port increases costs. A smart port can make processes run efficiently, reduce cargo dwell time, and lower enterprise operating costs. Second, port intelligence promotes coordinated industrial development. At Yantai Port, we saw deep cooperation between the port and banks, logistics companies, manufacturing enterprises, and others. Through the intelligent platform, all parties can share information and collaborate on operations, forming a complete industrial ecosystem. This industrial synergy not only improves the efficiency of the entire supply chain, but also provides more opportunities for corporate innovation. Third, port intelligence promotes sustainable development. Through intelligent energy consumption management and environmental monitoring, ports can better control energy consumption and environmental pollution, achieving green development. This is of great significance for the global response to climate change and the achievement of sustainable development goals. In Europe and the US, while some ports are exploring intelligent development, there are differences from Chinese ports in terms of industrial synergy and sustainable development, due to factors such as industrial structure and policy environments. For example, some European ports have policy guidance on sustainable development, but the depth and breadth of industrial synergy are not on par with Chinese ports. American ports face challenges such as fierce market competition and difficulty in coordinating interests in industrial synergy. Port intelligence has become a global trend in port development. China's leading position in this field not only brings opportunities for its own development but also provides a China solution and China experience for the intelligent development of ports worldwide. The intelligent journey has no end. The future of ports is full AI. Although Yantai Port has become a model for intelligent port infrastructure in China, the path of intelligence has no end, only higher standards. The future of ports lies not only in digitalization, automation, and zero carbon, but also in entering an era of full AI, with autonomous decision-making and intelligent scheduling. At that point, port operations will be even more efficient, intelligent, and green. The entire port will form a highly intelligent ecosystem where equipment, systems, data, and people are seamlessly connected and work together. Made in China. Products will use such smart ports to reach the world faster and more conveniently, achieving a true industrial closed loop. We should also see that the development of port intelligence still faces some challenges, such as continuous investment in technological innovation, talent cultivation, and data security. But as long as we persist in innovating and strengthening cooperation, we will surely overcome these difficulties and drive the continuous advancement of port intelligence. Port intelligence, this revolution that is happening quietly, will profoundly change the global manufacturing and logistics landscape. Let's look forward to Chinese ports creating more miracles on the path of intelligence and contributing more to global technological development and world peace and security. If you are interested in port intelligence or have any thoughts and insights, feel free to leave a comment. Let's discuss it together.